If you think about one drink that really embodies New Orleans as a city, it's the Sazerac cocktail. I'd say probably in the year and a half that I've worked here, I've made well over 1,000 Sazeracs. The Sazerac mixes American and Creole culture together in one fantastic cocktail. The Roosevelt is a huge part of New Orleans history. This bar was an actual speakeasy during Prohibition. When I started bartending, I always wanted to come here. I wanted to grow as a mixologist in a place that really helped me hone in on all my creativity. Here at the Roosevelt in New Orleans, I can really let my creativity shine. Hi, I'm Brandon Howard, and I'm the lead bartender at the Sazerac Bar at the Roosevelt, New Orleans, a Waldorf Astoria hotel, and this is Off the Menu with Hilton. So the first step to making your Sazerac Bar Sazerac is your Sazerac Rye, of course. This is a New Orleans style rye whiskey, so it has a nice sweet and spicy flavor. Your next step is you're gonna take a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. I know traditionally they use a sugar cube, but we use simple syrup just so it's a little less sweet. Then you're gonna do your local Peychaud bitters. They've been made since the early 1800s, and they have a very nice anise flavor. Do about 6 dashes of those. You're gonna take your ice and stir down your Sazerac. So you'll only wanna stir this just enough to dilute it, maybe about 2 to 3 seconds. Then you'll take your Sazerac glass and do a Spritz of Herbsaint on there. Traditionally, they would use absinthe. We use Herbsaint because it is a local anise liqueur made in New Orleans. They'd use that when they outlawed absinthe in the 1900s. Then you'll just pour that chilled cocktail in there. And do a nice little lemon peel on there as well. Give some nice citrus aromatic on there. And here's your Sazerac. Hi, how's it going? This bar has been around since the late 1930s. It's named after the cocktail itself. It was actually the first named cocktail in the States, and it was made right here in New Orleans. It's wonderful to get to work at a place that has such great history. People come from all over the world just to come and enjoy this drink. Drinking here, drinking a Sazerac, you're taking part in true American tradition.